In this video, you'll learn how to create a timetable using Notion 2025. This process will enable you to organize your schedule effectively within the Notion platform, making it easier to manage your time and tasks. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to google.com. This step is essential to access the Notion website for your timetable creation. Next, enter the URL for Notion by typing in notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with the Notion homepage where you can access your workspaces or start fresh. After that, locate and click on the templates option on the left sidebar. This will direct you to a variety of template options available for different purposes, including timetables. Once you're on the templates page, type timetable into the search bar at the top. This action will filter the available templates to show those specifically designed for creating timetables. Choose a timetable template that suits your needs from the displayed options. It is important to review the features of each template to ensure it aligns with how you want to organize your schedule. Following your selection, click on the Add button associated with the chosen template. This will prompt you to choose whether to add the template to your private workspace or a team workspace, depending on your preferences. Once you've made your selection regarding the workspace, click on See Template to view the full details of the timetable. This will allow you to examine the layout and features before finalizing your choice. At this point, you can click on the board view if you prefer that visual representation of your timetable. This provides an overview of your tasks and schedules in a more dynamic format. Alternatively, clicking on the table option will present your timetable in a structured format. This is useful for those who prefer a more traditional list view of their tasks. Now, personalize your timetable by adding your specific tasks, events, or appointments. Customizing your timetable ensures it meets your exact requirements and helps you manage your time efficiently. For example, you can start by renaming the title of your timetable to reflect the specific period it covers, such as weekly schedule or project timeline. This makes navigating your timetables easier and more intuitive. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.